here and Mumbai has begun receiving its share of rains. And while it's pouring, it's time for never-ending plates of pakoras, yummy corn and hot tea. Well, let us tell you how our very own controversy queen Poonam Pandey is making the most of this lovely Mumbai rain. Well, the sexy lady was recently spotted by the shutterbugs enjoying corn at a roadside thela. Dressed in orange bodycon dress paired with a raincoat, the diva made sure to make heads turn.
This is the only thing you enjoy in rain. You don't feel like getting out of the house. You know what I tried? I tried this guy. I asked my chef to make it. And the way he made it, it didn't taste bad. I was like, okay, you know what, I'm going to stop some and I'm going to eat it. I like this so much. You guys have to eat this as well, yeah? I'm serious, I'm not joking. Not the same one, of course.
The diva was also seen trying her hand making corn on the request of the paps.
ये डब्बा हटाओ है डब्बा आना ना
गरम
नमक बाइट पे तो हो रहा है
It's hot, but it's delicious.
After this, she is seen having fun and posing with small children too.
Always decide.
Poonam's video is going viral on social media. The bold actress was recently seen in Kangana Ranaut's controversial show Lock Up. Poonam came into the limelight during the 2011 World Cup when she said that if India wins the match, she will take off her clothes. After this statement, she was in the headlines. Although India won this match, Poonam Pandey reversed her statement.